Hello, I hope you are having a blessed day. Tilapia is on the menu today, and I have grilled this beautifully with selected herbs to give that distinct, delicious flavor to great tasting fish like tilapia. It is well seasoned, moist and tender on the inside, and it tastes amazingly well. If you stay tuned, I'm going to show an easier way to add flavor to the side salad. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. I have cleaned the fish. I'll give it a lemon wash. After that, I'll pat away any excess water and then slice them up. Next, I'll be blending together onions, ginger, Scotch bonnet, garlic, some green peppers, fish seasoning, Maggi cube, mixed herbs, and fresh basil. Onto the paste, I'll add some salt and olive oil and give it a stir. Now I'm coating it well to every corner on the fish, then I'll leave it to marinate for an hour before it goes in the grill. Onto my oiled rack, I'll place my fish and it's ready to be grilled. It's been grilling for about 15 minutes, so I'll add on more paste, flip it over and brush the other side as well. For the side salad, I have cut some red and green peppers with onions. I'm going to be adding a bunch of freshly chopped parsley, and to add flavor, I will add stock from the fish and a dash of olive oil. There you have it, grilled tilapia made with so much love. I'm having mine with fried yam. What do you normally have yours with? Thank you so much for watching.